Zines have been around since 1776 when Thomas Paine self-published Common Sense to promote ideas that contributed to the U.S. War for Independence. Zine comes from fanzine. Fanzines first appeared in the late 1920s. Zines were used to promote punk music in the 1970s. The Riot Grrrl movement of the 1990s led to people producing personal and political zines with explicitly feminist themes. Zine culture has made a comeback in recent years. Social movements like Black Lives Matter launched a zine to express their work and beliefs. Zinesters share bold, strong, revolutionary ideas. There are lots of ways to make a zine, and there are no written rules.